All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to another live stream. Just felt like I just got off this thing, so welcome back. We're talking. I was thinking about making a video this morning. Instead, I was like, you know what? A lot of things going on. Let's just go live and talk about everything at once. So welcome in. Welcome into the live stream. So crypto now. We talked about last night. It did not reach that 10%, at least when we were on the live stream last night, but here it is, down almost 11% right now. So Bitcoin under 33, Ethereum under 2.5. Ethereum now 12% down in the 24-hour period. Cardano getting down there. So are we going to go shopping today? That's the big question. Are we going to go shopping? So we're going to talk about crypto crashing, obviously. We're going to talk about AMC as well. So AMC right now in the pre-market is up a little bit. Up a nice amount, actually, here in the pre-market. Let me send out a tweet so everybody knows we are live. Welcome in, everybody. If you're new here, welcome. So we're watching AMC here in the pre-market before things open up. We're also watching crypto right now. So I mentioned last night on the live stream, crypto crashing right now. A lot of institutional money fluctuating these prices. These are not institutional, or excuse me, not people like us that are making retail investors. That's the word I was looking for. This is not retail investors, creating this crash or correction, whatever you want to call it. But so let's take a look at what else is on sale right now, because a lot of things, obviously it's a fire sale right now. Chainlink underneath 24 bucks. I like that. XRP still sitting at 85 cents. That's where it was last night. XRP. So XRP hasn't dipped too much more. Now Ethereum and Bitcoin definitely have. They're both down. How about Theta? Theta's getting down there now. Finally, Theta's down almost 8%. So this is one that I've been trying to add for a while. Now actually going down further. So I'll be watching Theta very closely today. And see where this thing goes. Theta and Theta Fuel is another one I want to look at. How about Vechain? Vechain down almost 20% right now. That's a sale on Vechain. Guys, like up the stream here on your way in. If you could do that, that would be fantastic. Also, if you're interested in constant growth and crypto and stocks and all facets of life, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So Vechain, way down right now. Give it 20%. Filecoin way down. What else? What are our biggest losers? Let's take a look at that. Biggest winners, how about this? Theta Fuel still killing it. Up 15% somehow. I have no idea how. Theta Fuel. During this crash, I mean, a lot of money still going into Theta Fuel, which is shocking. Now, Theta is down. But not many things green. You see here, these are all stable coins down here. Only two assets that are not stable coins. We got Leo here up almost 14%, which is interesting. Theta Fuel, the big winner. How about the big losers? Let's take a look. Thorchain down 20%. Terra, Luna. So we talked about Luna on the stream not too long ago, a couple days ago. Luna's down almost 20%. Vechain, one of the biggest losers right now, though. So Vechain, this would be an interesting one. This would be an interesting one to add. So let me put in Vechain actually in the title, because that's the one right now that I'm liking. Okay, just had to make that quick edit. Guys, smash that like button here on your way in. Got a couple people already hanging out with us this morning. Please like up the stream. It helps us out with that YouTube algorithm. So what else is down right now? The graph down 18%. What else do we got here? Good morning. Hopefully everybody's doing well out there too. Don't panic. Remember, don't panic. This is a buying opportunity for a lot of these assets. So Shiba Inu, there's SHIB. Okay, down 15, give it 16%. So SHIB's down about what it's down in the 7-day here in the 24-hour period, but still at the 7.2 level. Okay. It's a lot worse elsewhere. Things are down 20%, as you can see up in here. So it's not all bad right now. Thorchain, Bakery Token, Luna, the biggest losers right now. Vechain, there's Vechain down 20%, guys. So let's see what's going on with Vechain here. AMC in the pre-market, real quick. So I bought in for 200 bucks yesterday. I don't know if you guys caught that video I put out on there on the channel, but I did buy into AMC yesterday at 55.48, just a little bit, 200 bucks. Up a little bit. We're waiting to see what happens when the market opens here. Market will open up here in about 8 minutes, so we'll see what happens with AMC. I had to buy into it a little bit. I told myself I wasn't going to do this, but I had to get a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I'm invested in it a little bit. This is going to be a short-term swing for me. I'm looking to double this up. I think I can get my market value up to 400. Take that quick profit. That's the goal, at least. Take that quick profit and then funnel it back into something, I don't know, like a NIO or Tesla. NIO's doing really well also in the pre-market. A lot of things up in the stock market. So while crypto is down right now, the stock market looks like it's primed for a really nice day, at least here in the pre-market. So that'll be interesting to watch. Are a lot of institutional investors moving out of crypto and back into stocks? I think so. I think you're seeing that right now happen. A lot of people getting out of crypto on the institutional side, back into the market. And you look at Tesla. Tesla's way up in the pre-market as well. So I do have some Tesla here. We'll go over to see, and it'll probably show my position, but I'm okay with that. So Tesla, there you go. I've got 2.4 shares here on Robinhood of Tesla. Got most of my Tesla over at Webull. Hey, what's up, Mr. Junior? How you doing? Tori, how you doing? I picked up more SHIB and Cardano today. Want to get enough ADA so I can stake it on crypto at 250 ADA minimum. Nice. Nice. Tesla's up in the pre-market here, which I like to see. So today's return already, this is pre-market though, $42.92. So I've got about 2.5 shares. My goal is, so my Robinhood portfolio is kind of my fun portfolio. It's not where I hold most of my assets. Most of my assets are held on Webull. But I do have some things on Robinhood. This is kind of when I first started, and then I've added some things here and there to it. But most of my stuff is over on Webull. But I like the interface here on Robinhood. So it's just a nice way to look at it. So look at Tesla real quick. Look at this yesterday, late afternoon. I mean, we were down at 586, and then, you know, look at this big push since yesterday afternoon. Here we go in the late, you know, to the closing bell here. This thing's skyrocketing here in the pre-market too. So my average cost $634. I still like that. Now my average cost over on Webull with Tesla is under $600, which I love. Good morning, Eamon. How you doing? Doing good. Bought more SHIB, SafeMoon. Nice. Yeah, it's a sale right now. How about Vechain? How about Vechain, y'all? Down 20%. I'm loving that. I might add on to my, well, Vechain's one that I got into really early, so I don't know if I'm ready to add on to this just yet, but I'm going to be watching it. So for those of you, you know, haven't yet opened a position in Vechain, if this drops down below 10 cents, I really like that. If you can get this at 9 cents or below, anywhere in below 10 cents on Vechain, is really, really nice. So it's down 20% right now. This is one that I would be watching for sure. If you like Vechain, if that's something you like. So interesting here. Interesting. Guys, smash the like button here on your way in. That would be huge. That really helps us out. We got 8 people hanging out with us, so that's cool. 8 people hanging out. Welcome. Welcome this morning. I need all 8 of you to like up the stream though. Let's do that. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. All right, so let's see here. Vechain, let's take a closer look at what's going on here with Vechain, because this thing is really dropping. And we're going to go take a look at some of the other stocks too. Of course, AMC, Tesla, still up about 3% in the pre-market. NEO up again in the pre-market. That's really made some nice strides. DraftKings as well. I like DraftKings. CCIV Lucid is another big one. CCIV. That's another one that I like. My guy Stock Mo put me on to Lucid, so shout out to Stock Mo. If you don't follow his YouTube channel, go over and do that. He's the man. Big fan of Stock Mo. So this thing doesn't want to load up on me, but we'll go back to CoinMarketCap here. While that's deciding what to do, let's go over, because I do have some CCIV here on Robinhood, I believe, too. I've got about 40 shares over on Webull. I think I got like 10 shares here. 15 shares, actually. 15 shares here on Robinhood. So, CCIV Lucid, a company out of Arizona, EV company. And really like this one. Really like this one. They're coming out with some models that they're hopefully going to get into, finally launching some sales later this year. But this has been really running up here in the last. Let's look at the last month. Look at CCIV in the last month, up 43% in the last month. So this was really on sale, back in early May. And you go out 3 months. You can see this thing got down all the way down to 1725. Actually, that was in the 1 month, wasn't it? Yeah. So that's pretty crazy. It got way down here. But in the last month, up 43% now. That's fluctuating pretty heavily. In the past week, look at that. Look at the past week here on CCIV. That's pretty crazy. Got in AMC at like $5, sold when it hit roughly 45. Hey, Mr. Junior, I can't blame you at all, man. I know you wish you would have stayed in, coulda, shoulda, woulda, but man, that's a nice profit, man. That's nice profit margins. Can't blame you at all there. Can't blame you at all, one bit. That's a really nice. That's a really nice, gainer there. But yeah, CCIV one I definitely like. I got in here on Robinhood at an average cost of $21.70. So I'm holding CCIV both on Robinhood and on Webull for the long term. I really like this one, this EV company. Going forward, I'm planning on holding this to at least till 2025. I think by 2025, CCIV will certainly be over $100 a share. I would think closer to $200 a share on CCIV by 2025. So, I've got roughly 30 shares over on Webull of Churchill, and then I've got 15 here on Robinhood. So I'd like to even add to that position. I just ran out of money during the during the crash. So, but yeah, this is a nice one. Jay Will, what's up, man? Hopefully you're doing well, brother. What's going on, man? Manveeth, Loon, please. Will Loon be back above 10? Is Loon or is it Luna? Are you talking about Luna? Because I like Luna. Look at Theta Fuel, still up 14%. How crazy is that? Luna, where's Luna? There it is. So Luna, this is down 20% right now. This is a nice sale on Terra. So Luna down 20%. But Loon, what's Loon? Is that in the crypto space? Loon? Oh, gotcha. All right, let's check it out. Luna. Okay, you meant Luna? Okay, because there is a Loon too. This is way down in the market rank. That's why I didn't know if you were talking about this one. 1965. So yeah, Luna. We talked about this one a couple days ago on stream. Welcome in, everybody. Smash that like button on your way in the door. Only 3 likes. We got 15 people hanging out. That means there's a lot of you out there. I mean, now there's 16 people in here. That's awesome. 13 of you haven't liked, though. Come on, like it up. So here's the big crash. Look at this. Wow. We got back up to 760, June 2nd looks like. Now we're back down to 530. This is a really nice sale. So Luna, all-time high is $22 set 3 months ago. This is a big-time sale on Luna. It's a top 50 coin. So this is pretty interesting. A lot of things out there on sale right now. A lot of things on sale. So all while this is happening, keep in mind, all while this is happening to crypto, down 11%, right? This continues to drop. Bitcoin 32.7 now, Ethereum under 2.5. All while this is happening, the stock market looks to be getting more bullish. So if I had to make a guess, I mean, a lot of this institutional money is coming out of crypto and right back into stocks. So let's check out our AMC here. Still in the, okay, now we are live here. So let's see what AMC does. Market just opened. Market just opened here. 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on the East Coast. So let's see what happens here to AMC out of the gates. Had a nice little run pre-market, so let's see what happens. Have you heard about FTS? No, I haven't heard about that, Mr. Junior. Haven't heard about that. So I did open up a position, guys, as I mentioned, 200 bucks. Opened up a position yesterday at 55.48 early in the morning. Got in around 10 a.m., I think. I do think over the next week or two that AMC is going to make some runs. Retracing now, though, here out of the gates. So let's see what happens here to AMC. Usually we see a big run up out of the gates. Uh-oh, here we go. Now it's going right back up. Up already 5% today. In the week for AMC, up over 50%. So pretty crazy. I mean, look at the fluctuation here on the 3rd. I wish I'd have got down in here, right? Man, that would have been a nice time to open up one down at 40 bucks. But yeah, I opened it up at 55. So what are you going to do? I still think it's going to go up from there. This is about when I got in. Well, no, it was actually yesterday. So June 7th. Yeah, I got in right in here, 10:30, somewhere in here. 55.48 was my average cost. So. All right, let's go back to the 1 day here. We'll watch AMC for a little bit. It's an NFT crypto for soccer. It went up like 80% yesterday. Yeah, it's interesting, Mr. Junior. All the NFTs, well, not all of them, but they seem to be selling off less, right? So if we pop back over here real quick, I mean, the only real big winner right now in the 24-hour period, aside from Leo, oh, is this the soccer one? No, that's not the one. This is Leo. I don't know what this is. But Theta Fuel continues to kill it. Then you got all these stable coins. These are the only things green in the top 100. Okay, only things green in the top 100 right now. Theta Fuel and Leo. But biggest losers, Digibyte. That's a really nice sale on Digibyte too. Look at Vechain and Luna though. These are two that we've talked about on stream. Both down 20% right now. Digibyte and Luna. Really nice sale prices here on these two. Telecoin, how about that? Telecoin down. We talked about that last night too. Telecoin down 20%. Guys, 26 people hanging out. Appreciate each and every one of you. Just need you to smash the like button for me. All right? Like the smash button, smash the like button, whatever you prefer. That helps out with the YouTube algorithm tremendously. So if you're getting some value here this morning, welcome in on a Tuesday morning. Please hit that like button. That's all I ask. It really helps. All right, so Link down under 24. That's interesting. Solana down almost 17%. Here's Polygon down here at 140. So this will be one to watch here on Polygon. That's getting down there. Now, of course, my position in Polygon opened it up at 88 cents. Bought more at 77 cents. So I'm just watching right now. I'm just an observer. But if this thing dips even more, I'll be looking to add on to Polygon. Sheeb, right now I'm just holding steady. It's down 16%. I've got 30 million Sheeb, so I'm okay with that. Engine Coin is in the NFT space. It's down quite a bit. Decentraland down below that 70 cents level, so I'll be looking at Decentraland. Haven't opened up a position yet, but I might just open one up. Here's Harmony. Harmony we've talked about on stream before. It's down 15%. Here's another NFT one. CHZ down 15%. ETH Classic down 14.5%. A lot of things just getting hammered right now. Obviously, I think this is just a lot of institutional money moving out of crypto and moving back into the stock market. Because there's a direct correlation here happening, right? All of these things in the crypto space are down, all while things in the stock market are looking up, right? So all indications are that institutional money is moving out of crypto. Anchor's down below 10 cents. That's interesting. Everything's moving out of here and into crypto. Here's Stellar. Stellar's down 13%. Cardano about 13% too, down to 151. Interesting there. That's one to watch today. Dogecoin hasn't sold off too much, according to where we were at last night at least. Last night we were hovering at the 33-cent range, sitting at 32 cents right now. So I like Doge. If I can get it under 30, that's where I'll be buying more personally. Okay, if this thing dips at some point today to 29, 28 cents, I'll be looking to add on to Dogecoin. Okay, XRP, it's still hovering there at 85 cents. That's where we were last night. Here's Ethereum, down about 12%. Okay, we're looking at the biggest losers here. Theta, though. Okay, this is getting interesting now. Theta is at 868. I'd like to get this under $8. If I can get it under 8, that's where I really would like to open a position on Theta, because all-time high is 15 something. So I'd like to open up a position here under 8. I have yet to open one up on Theta, but I'm waiting. I'm waiting patiently. Jeremy, what's up? Have you looked into Pink Panda? No, man. Don't know anything about that, bro. Sorry. What's up with Pink Panda? But I'm watching Theta closely, y'all. I'm watching this one closely today. Welcome in. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Would appreciate that so much. Thanks for stopping by here on a Tuesday morning. Glad to have you. Glad to have you join forces here on the live stream. If you're not new here, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, y'all. Smash that like button. Only 5 likes. What are we doing? What are we doing? Jay Will, hope Zach, hope all is well. All is well, brother. All is well on this on my end, man. Hope all is well with you too, Jay Will. All right, all right. There's a like. There's 6 likes. Can we get to at least 10? We can get to 10. How about H-bar? Down a little bit less than 10%. Tron. Same thing. Same story here on Tron. Bitcoin and all of its counterparts down 10% here. Okay, Wrap Bitcoin as well. BitTorrent down almost 10%. All right, what else do we got? What's AMC doing? Okay, it's going back down a little bit. AMC is plummeting a little bit here. Okay, so AMC was up 5% to open, and now it's well, it's coming back up. This thing fluctuates so much, so much. So we're watching AMC. How about CCIV Lucid? How's that looking right now? Churchill Capital. Okay, that's fallen down a little bit too. So Churchill crashing down a little bit here out of the gates. But I'm okay with this. I'm holding Churchill for the long term. I'm holding this till 2025. Average cost here on Robinhood is $21.70. My average cost on Webull is actually lower than this. My average cost on Webull, where I hold most of my CCIV, is actually in the $19 range, $19.50, I think. So I'm happy about that. So Churchill's had a nice week, really nice week, up 20%. Nice month, up 40%. So loving Churchill. How about Tesla? Where's Tesla at? Where are we at with Tesla? AMC dipping slightly. It's volatile right now, but it will shoot up 80s to 100s by the end of the week. I think so, Athletic Justice. That's why I opened a position in it. I think you're onto something. So Tesla right now, it's also heading down, but still up a little bit on the day. Pre-market, Tesla was up quite a bit. It ran yesterday afternoon out of nowhere. I also hold a decent amount of NEO here on Robinhood, so let's check that out. NEO, now here I've got an average cost that's a little bit high. I got in NEO a little bit late here on Robinhood. Now I opened up a new position on Webull where I really like my position on Webull. I think it's like $34 over on Webull. And I've got, I think, 20 shares over on Webull. So actually most of my shares of NEO here are on Robinhood. But my position over on Webull, it probably is going to net me more gains in the long term because the average cost I got in over there is really nice. But I really like NEO. Super bullish on NEO in the long term. I'm holding this one for a long time. 2030. I'm looking at Tesla and NEO till 2030. CCIV till 2025. Those are my 3 big EV stocks that I really like. So, guys, if you're getting some value here out of the video already, smash the like button for me, or just hit it gently, whatever you prefer. Either way, it really helps out with the algorithm, helps us out tremendously, pushes it out to other people. All right, so let's go back here and see what the heck's going on. Let's bring this back up to the top here. And we want to go the other way. There's Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, both down double digits, down 11%. I like Webull, shows more stats, small details, if you can understand. Robinhood's very simple, user-friendly, I feel. Exactly, Athletic. I agree 100% with you there. Agree 100% with your assessment there. No doubt about it. So, yeah, I do most of my stock trading now on Webull. I move most of my funds over there. I still have money over in Robinhood, though, so... And I like the interface, I really do. It's a really simple interface. I will say that. What's BlackBerry doing? What's BlackBerry doing here out of the gates? Okay, BlackBerry heading down 2 right now. Still up a little bit, but... Abdullah, what's up, man? Is there any reason to be positive with Shiba? Yeah, a lot of catalysts still out there. Shiba Swap, of course. Abdullah, this is really, it's a really new asset, okay? You got to be patient when you're in the market, especially with new assets like SHIB. So I myself have 30 million. I'm holding it for a while, okay? I'm holding it for a few years, see what happens. Because for me, the potential, benefits there are tremendous, okay? So I'm willing to wait. I'm going to be patient on it with SHIB, okay? I'm going to be super patient with Shiba Inu. All right, so BlackBerry. How about GME? We haven't looked at GME. What are we doing with GameStop here? I don't have any GameStop. Oh, so GameStop's running up here, guys. GameStop's running up over 300 now. Interesting. So GameStop is running. AMC, let's see where we're at. What's the news with BlackBerry? Athletic Justice, that's another one where the squeeze could be on. I'll tell you what, shout out to StockMo again, because he mentioned this in his video yesterday. CCIV could be the next one to short squeeze. They got about 20% of people have short positions. Anytime you get upwards to 20% of short positions, that's usually when the Reddit team comes in and puts the short squeeze on. So I think Churchill could be primed for the next short squeeze. I really do. Now, I'm already in Churchill. I've been in it for a long time. I've got the 15 shares here and another 30 or so shares over on Webull at $19. So I've been in it. So, hey, I'm riding the wave. If Churchill starts getting squeezed, because I'm holding this thing till 2025. So, that's my plan here. But I would love to see Churchill get squeezed. That would be fantastic. But it's hurting right now. It's up slightly on the day, but a big sell-off here. Big sell-off here with Churchill. Let's take a look at AMC again. What's up, Dave Silva? How you doing, man? Okay, so AMC, guys, coming back here. Okay, coming back with a vengeance here, too. All right, here we go. AMC riding back up over 5.5% here, fluctuating quickly, though. Look at the movement here on AMC. This is pretty crazy. Is there another Shiba burn? I haven't seen anything related to that with the Shiba burn. I'm not 100% sure, Day Silva. We'll have to get to the bottom of it. So we could probably. Here's the latest news. Coinbase has institutional holder sort of 100%. How about that, Coinbase? This is one that I want to hold eventually, Coinbase. I don't have it yet. So a lot of articles being put out today just on the crypto space as a whole. Let's see if there's any Shiba Inu news that we need to address. Let's see what's going on here. What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good people. If you want to do me a solid, hit that like button here on your way inside the door, especially if you've already took your shoes off and you're hanging out on the couch. If you're already inside and you haven't liked yet, make sure you do that real quick. Just takes a second. Just takes a second of your time, and it helps out tremendously with the algorithm. All right, so let's see here. Why isn't that loading up for us? What the heck? Come on. Come on, Google. Okay, here we go. 1 hour ago. The Shiba Inu dog is going to be auctioned off as an NFT. How about that? All right, let's check this out. 4 hours ago, what are they talking about here? Should Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and other cryptos be a part of your investment portfolio? Okay. Okay, this is out of, looks like out of India, so that's interesting. So obviously India has a large following now with Sheeb. Okay, so diversification is the key to building wealth. I agree with that statement 100%. For those of you all in on one asset, that's really risky, okay? All investors need to consider this fact and invest a portion of their funds, okay, into cryptocurrency. I can tell you, my Shiba Inu position, I have 30 million Shiba Inu, okay? It's less than 1% of my total portfolio. So my Shiba Inu holdings of 30 million are less than 1% of my entire, that's the crypto portfolio. Okay, Ethereum makes up about 60% of my portfolio. Ethereum does. 60% is Ethereum, and then Polygon and Cardano make up another about 30% combined. So that's kind of where I'm at with my portfolio. And then I've got a bunch of other things, obviously, smaller positions. But diversification is key, especially, in crypto, because things are so volatile, right? So considering volatility, most investors currently allocate 3 to 5% of their net assets as assets category or cryptocurrencies. So on Robinhood, I only hold a little bit of Doge on Robinhood. Let's check out what Doge is doing. I also hold Doge, some Dogecoin over on Coinbase now too. But I do have, I think, $1,000 worth, yeah, or 1,000 Doge. So Doge is here. Got over 1,000 Doge here. Average cost of $34.57 on Robinhood. So I will be looking to add some Doge today, especially if it dips below that 30-cent threshold. So we're going to be watching that closely. Doge here in the 1 week, you can see it's trending down here. I'd like to get it, back down in here. If we can get back down in here, 29, here it hit 27. This is where I would like to add on to more of my Doge. And if it got back down in here, I'd probably try to double my quantity here on Robinhood. I've got another 2,000 over on I'm sorry. I've got Doge on Webull, another 1,000 of Doge on Webull, and then 1,000 of Doge on Coinbase. So I hold just over 3,000 Doge coins. So it's another very small position when you consider, my Ethereum position, Cardano. This is much smaller position, but I still like Doge. Still definitely like Doge. Armand, what's up, man? Welcome, brother. Good to see you. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate that. All right, so let's go back to AMC because that thing was running like crazy. Let's see what's going on with AMC here. Still very volatile here, AMC. And you can see here on Robinhood, very small percentage of my portfolio, okay? 3%, okay? Makes up, I think when I opened it up, it was like 2.5%. So I'm just throwing a little bit in there, seeing what happens, having some fun with it, trying to ride the wave up. I do think AMC in the next this week or next, I think it runs up to at least $75. I think it's going to run up. I think it's going to get squeezed to at least 75, maybe 100. But I opened up a position. It'll be fun. It'll be fun to watch. My hope is that I can take this profit and put it right back into something like Tesla or NEO, something where I have really high conviction in. So for me, AMC is a complete swing trade for me. I'm looking to try to make a little bit of profit here on AMC, and then put that right back into something I'm holding until 2030. That's what I'm trying to do. That's my plan. You always want to have a plan, exit strategy, and on both ends, an exit strategy on the way down and an exit strategy on the way up. So for AMC, I mentioned this in the video that I put out on AMC yesterday. My exit strategy on the way up is going to be when my market value hits 400. When my market value hits 400, I'm going to be out, okay? And you could preset that, right? You could set it to say, okay, when market value hits this, get out, right? Or percentage gains. Now on the way down, if my market value hits 150, I'm going to get out. I only want to lose 50 bucks on this. I don't want to lose any more than 50 bucks. So if I get down to 150, I'm going to get out of there, okay? That's kind of what I'm thinking. I know it's a small position, but it's fun. I'm having fun with it. So AMC heading back up now, trying to push back up. We got up to 58.45 here at 9:35. So a little while back, we did push up to 58.45. That's the all-time high today so far. We opened up, where did we open? 58? Yeah, we opened up right at 58.05 is where we opened. So a little bit down from that number. Hasil, what's up, man? How you doing? CL Jacob, you got to love discount season. Oh, man, discount season is in full effect, CL. Yeah, brother. What are your thoughts on Ford Motors? Ford, let's take a look. I don't have any Ford, but they're way down today. Let's see what else is going on with Ford. So back in early June, they were down here. Let's go out to the 1 month because they were really low. So the 1 month, they've made some nice gains. Take a look at the 1 month. How about the 3 month? Yeah. 3 month, nice gains. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing with all the car companies, all the vehicle companies. They're all trying to get into the EV space, right? They're all trying to get there. Ford obviously has a well-known brand. So I do think Ford is a good investment if you're planning on holding it, I would say until 2025, 2030, to where the world is a lot more electric, and especially the world of cars and automobiles. So I think really any of these big names. I'll tell you another one I like just as one to watch. Ride. This is out of Lordstown, Ohio. So they've got some pretty sweet trucks. Actually, look at that today. Look at Lordstown Motors. Big gains today out of the gates. How about that? So they opened up at 1379. Look at that, making some nice runs. But here's Lordstown Motors in the past week. Take it out the past month. Look at that. Lordstown Motors in the past month up 90%. Gotta love that. In the 3 month, okay, went well down. So, back in March they were up there 17, but still, look how hard this thing crashed. This thing got all the way up to 3140 back in 2020. Here this year, February 11th was the high point, up over 30, came crashing down, got all the way down to 721. But look at that. Nice push since May 14th. We've been trending up, so. If not in this game for the long haul, yeah, exactly, CL. 100%, man. AMC got some wild illegal stuff. Yeah. Now, they're supposed to come out today with some information for everybody who was a shareholder before, June 2nd, I believe it was. So they're going to have some, which that was not me. I got into this late. I'm just trying to make a quick swing. Okay, here we go. AMC back up. Interesting here, setting the all-time high here just a minute ago. Okay, so that thing came storming up out of nowhere. 58.52 it got up to. So Athletic Justice, yeah, I like Ford Motors. I like all the EVs. Uh-oh, here we go. Now we're running. Let's get to 60. Come on, let's get to 60. Come on, AMC. There we go, baby. There we go. Run it up. Run it up. There we go. There we go. Breakout season. Here we go. Breakout season. AMC. Let's go. What's the all-time high on this in the week? We got up to what, 66? 67.27. I'd like to see us crush that today. What do you think? Come on, breakout, AMC. Breakout. See how excited I get when I'm making 17 bucks? It's fun though, right? This is fun to watch. 72. Okay, is that your market or is that your projection today, Armand? How high are we going to get on AMC today? Oh my, I thought I'm watching a recorded video. Blanc, what's up? Breakout, come on. All right, now it's heading back down a little bit. XLM is a good buy right now too. Yeah, let's pop back over to crypto here in just a minute. I want to watch this AMC though for a second, just to see if we can get some kind of consolidation. There's been like no consolidation here out of the gates. I mean, hardly any consolidation. It's just been up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, now we're breaking out again. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Guys, smash the like button here on your way inside the door. Got to get that number up. Got to get that number up. Only 20 likes. Come on now. Armand's in here to do the dirty work for me too. I appreciate you, brother. I always feel like obligated to say hit the like button, but it's always like I don't want to keep saying this. But it really does help, guys. Smash the like button, please. Crypto Christmas sales, yeah. Load up your cart. Yep. Time to go shopping. Time to go shopping. All right, AMC looks like it's chilling out here for a minute. We can watch the number here too, so if you guys see this number like go crazy, let me know if I'm not watching it closely. It should still roll up though. Oh, no, I guess it only rolls up when you're on it. All right, so what else is going on here? Okay, so still at 11% down on crypto. I mean, here's what's happening, y'all. Institutional money, they're getting out of crypto and they are getting all in on the stock market. That's what's happening. Okay. 65-ish Athletic Justice. Okay. Pulled some more Poly, ADA, and Vet. Nice. Nice. You know what? Just for you guys, I'll give you a look at my whole portfolio here on Robinhood. How about that? So again, most of my portfolio over at Webull. But for you guys, I'll show you the whole portfolio real quick. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so overall, this portfolio, now it's gone through some downturns. Here you go. So at one point back in February, I was doing real nice on this one, on this portfolio. You know, I was up, at one point I was up like $1,000 early on this year. But, you know, obviously a lot of things in here I'm holding for a while. So I'll start going through some of these things I'm holding for you. But so this is my overall portfolio, down $44 right now, all time. Okay, so I've got some Tesla, got a good amount of Neo, Apple, got a few shares there. ARK, which is that one I mentioned last night, ARK Invest, I like that. ChargePoint is another one I really like. This is a charging station stock. I want to get more ChargePoint. I wish I would have added more to this. CCIV Lucid. I've got 15 shares here, 30 shares over on Webull at an even cheaper price. So SFT, Skills. Skills is another one. I really like Skills. This is a really good one. So this is all about mobile gaming. Connects players to fair, fun, meaningful competition. This has a great long-term future outlook. So Skills is one I also hold here on Robinhood, as well as I hold a decent amount over on Webull too. I like to diversify stocks that I like on two different platforms. But you see the market cap here, almost 10 billion. Got a nice buy rating here. I like Skills a lot, a lot. Okay, I've got 15 shares here on Robinhood. It's down overall total, but this thing will be back up. So here's my average cost here. We're getting close to that on Skills. Okay. Pulled more Poly and ADA and Vet. Nice, Gamer Pro. Nice, man. I'm about to get some popcorn. Get your popcorn ready. Get your popcorn ready. Let's see AMC. What's going on? Uh-oh, here we go. Another breakout. Breakout season. Let's go. Push 60. Come on, AMC. I want to see, there it is. I want to see 70 today. I want to see 70. At some point today, I want to see 70. I think a close at like 65 today would be awesome. If we can get a close at like 65, 64, and a push to 70 at some point today, that would be nice. That would be nice. Okay, so up a little bit here. Today's return looking nice on about 10%. Nice. There's a breakout. Love to see it. Love to see it. Okay. So we're hanging out above 60. All right, let's pop back over. Let's see what's going on here on the crypto side of things. Let's refresh this up. CoinMarketCap.com. All right, Cardano down below 150, y'all. That's pretty good. Dogecoin still at 32. Chainlink. Nice sale on Chainlink. Look at Polygon. Polygon now below 140. 16% down. Let's take a look at some of the biggest losers here. There's the biggest winners. Only two that aren't stable coins. Theta Fuel, one of them. Okay. Digibyte, wow, now down 22%. How about Telecoin, y'all? Down 21%. Vechain. Carl North bought the dip. There you go. Appreciate the kind words too, brother. Thank you. Love Cardano. Me too, Blanc. Me too. Luna, this is one we talked about a couple days ago, guys. That's down 20% almost. Interesting, huh? Zill, this is one we mentioned last night. This is a pretty interesting one. I'll be watching this one closely now. Somebody mentioned that last night. Cosmos is down 17%. Solana, same thing. How about Decentraland? That's getting down there. That's getting juicy. Decentraland's getting juicy at 68 cents. Steve, girlfriend just got, GF girlfriend, I think, just got into ADA, freaked out when it dropped to 150, told her it's just 25% off on sale. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Steve. Lovepreet, what's up, bro? What about Dogecoin? What about it? You mean Shiba? That's the dog coin. Shiba and Doge are the only dog coins that I am invested in. So those are the ones I like. Almost 60, huh? 65, just to be nice. Almost 60. Okay, where are we at? Coming back down a little bit. Yeah, we're hovering. We're hovering at that 59 level, huh? Right now. Thing is fluctuating like crazy. Engine coin, another one I like. This is down. What do I want to buy today? That's the question. What do I want to buy today? Help me make some decisions, y'all, on what I want to get. Stellar. Nice sale on Stellar. All right, so what's down the most? Ones that I really like. Sheeb. I'm not in a position right now to add to Sheeb. Still top 40 here, 38 on market cap. I like where I'm at with Sheeb. I just want to hold my 30 million right now. So I don't want to add Sheeb. Polygon, it's not down there far enough yet for me because I opened up at 88 cents and then added at 77 cents. So I don't want to really add on to Polygon right now. Now, if this thing were to drop a lot more, I would definitely look at it. I could open a position at Decentraland. I could do that. But is it going to drop lower? That's the question. I could open a position also. I could add to Chainlink. I like where this price is at. Maybe I add to Chainlink. Because I would like to have a larger position in Link. And this is about where my average cost is, actually. I think it might even be a little bit higher than this. I think my chain link average cost is like 25, so I'm actually down a little bit. But Link's got up over 50, not too long ago. So Link could be something I add to. Decentraland, open a position. What else is my options here? Something I might do today. Things I might do. Steven says get DOT. Yeah, that's another option, Steven. You're right. DOT is one that, how far down is DOT right now? DOT must be doing a little bit better than most things. Oh, here it is. Actually, no. So DOT, oh yeah, that's down 16%. Interesting. I did mention if Dogecoin gets below 30 cents, I'm adding on to that. If it gets below 30 cents, I'm adding on. Aave, I don't have a position there yet. ZIL, that's an option after talking about it last night. Could open a position in ZIL. I'll tell you, Luna. Yeah, there's Luna. Could open a position in Luna right now. Vechain is another one I'd like to add to, but I got into Vechain very early, so I'm still well above my average cost here on Vechain. So, but if Vechain gets down, below 10 cents, if you don't have a position open yet on Vechain, if you can get VET below 10 cents, I think that's really nice. Even here at 10 cents is pretty solid. Okay. What else? Digibyte. That's something we mentioned. That's down 23% almost. Yeah, Armand, I hear you, bro. Anchor, or ARDR, is that, that's not Anchor. What's ARDR? Is that Algorand? No, Ardor. What's that about? What's that about? ARDR. It's down 17%, ranked 163. Man, this thing, whoo, back in 2018, talk about a spike. Somebody made some big gains here. Don't know much about this. ARDR? ARDR? I don't know anything really about this. It's a multi-chain blockchain platform, parent-child, okay. Security of a whole network is provided by the parent Ardor chain, while the interoperable child chains have all the functionality. The team believes that this design and access to hybrid user. Okay. Created with scalability in mind, I like that. Solves many existing industry problems with such as blockchain bloat, single token dependency, and the need for easily customizable yet compatible blockchain solutions. Interesting. It is down 17%. I'll give you that. All right, so let's go check out AMC. What do we got here? What's going on with AMC? All right, so it's working its way back up here. We did get up over 60 there momentarily. On its way back up here on AMC. Here we go. Come on, AMC. Run up to 62, 61 here. As we say that, it's trickling down. 105 in the chat, 27 likes. Let's correct the dip. I like it, Armand. Thank you, brother. Yeah, let's correct that. Smash the like button here on your way in. Welcome into the stream. Welcome. We're watching all kinds of things. AMC, we're watching crypto. My general thesis here, crypto market down 11%. Then the stock market, everything's looking great today in the stock market. So a lot of institutional money, in my opinion, coming out of crypto, coming into the market. That's what's going on right now. All right, AMC trying to break up and break out here. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go, let's go. Smash the subscribe, y'all. Smash that subscribe. Hammer it. Let's see. All right, AMC. All right, how about GME? Let's take a quick look at GME. Oh, wow. Look at GME. Wow. Wow. crazy, guys. Look at this. At 940, it was 291 bucks. Now we're at 327. Look at this thing on GameStop. Look at the chart. Look at this. Wow. You want to talk about a major breakout here. Look at look at GME. This is crazy. Wow. Anybody on GameStop? Somebody's enjoying this ride. How about BlackBerry? What are we doing here? Let's see. BlackBerry's running out too, guys. BlackBerry making a run for it, up almost 8%. So BlackBerry and GME. NVCN. Mr. Big Fox, what's up? Let's check it out. NVCN, huh? Oh, yeah, I've heard of this one. Neovasc. Yeah, I've heard of this one. Okay, so definitely a penny stock, well under 1 billion. Here's my general thoughts, guys. Anytime market cap is under 1 billion, it's definitely a penny stock. So this is for sure a penny stock. It's not even at 100 million market cap yet. So keep in mind, when you invest in these are very volatile. These things are very early on, but I'm liking the earnings here, Mr. Big. Liking this trend in earnings. I like that. So what is this? It's manufacturer marketing of medical devices. Okay, company was founded in 2000, headquartered in Canada. The listed name for NVCN is Neovasc Incorporated. Interesting. Okay, this is an interesting one. Sitting right at $1 right now. Let's go back to AMC. Okay, AMC trying to break out again here. Here we go. Let's go, AMC. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Let's get back up to 60. Come on. What do we got? What do we got? Safe Moon. I don't invest in Safe Moon Athletic, but I know a lot of people do. It's growing some interest worldwide, I will say that. Oh, GME's doing crazy stuff probably, huh? Let's see it. GME. Jeez, oh, Pete. Woo. Look at this running. You got to be kidding me. All right, y'all, we got over 100 people in here, and only 30% of you have liked. That means 66% of you have not smashed the like button. Can we fix that? Can we fix that? All right, so let's, wow, this is crazy. Isn't this nuts? Look at the chart here. That is just parabolic. Look at the 1 day. That's ridiculous. The squeeze is on, ladies and gentlemen. The squeeze is on. Consider holding longer AMC until it looks like GME is supposed to break out like GME. Yeah, maybe I will, Justice. Do you have any? I mean, I don't have a lot of AMC, but I already created an exit strategy. I'm going to get out at 400. I mean, you know, maybe I'll take my initial investment out and then leave the 200 in. I would consider doing that. If I can get my market value to 400, take my initial investment out, and then just leave the 200 in there, see what happens, maybe I'll do something like that just for fun. Because then I'm just playing with house money. All right, AMC trying to break up towards 60 again. Up 9, there it is. Okay, AMC breaks 60 there. So it's broken 60 a few different times already today, already here this morning. But GME, I mean, this is just crazy. I want to see how high this thing, oh my gosh, look at this. Up over 330 now. This is crazy. Look at GME. Absolutely insane. I mean, you want to talk about a rocket ship. Look at this thing. This is nuts. All right, let's see what's going on here. ETH, let's take a look at ETH. Let's take a closer look at ETH, see what's going on here. ETH down to 2.3. To the moon. You ain't kidding. Look at that. That is nuts. So Ethereum, big drop off here, obviously. See if we can get this chart to load. This chart didn't want to load up for me earlier. See if we can get this thing loaded up. Ever messed with Icon? No, I don't know about that one, Gamer Pro. Not familiar with that. What's that about? I might have heard of that though, Icon. I think I've heard of that. Feel free to drop some stocks, or crypto assets that you like in chat, and hopefully, we can address all of those. So if there's, this is a community where we're all learning from each other. So if you got some insight, drop it in chat. Let us know about it. Wow, look at GameStop. Crazy, y'all. This is insane. All right, this chart does not want to load up for me. That's okay. We'll just keep it real on the market cap. We could keep it up, and we can continue to see where we're at. So Cardano down at 146. Doge, it's dropping, y'all. Doge is down there. 31 cents now on Doge. Interesting. Okay, that's getting a little interesting. So here's what I mean though. Doge 31.66. Let's see what it is on Robinhood, because it does change prices depending on the brokerage you're looking at. All right, so CoinMarketCap has it at 31.66. Okay, so it's pretty similar here. 31.5 here on Robinhood, so it is down a little bit. This is all house money, by the way. This on Robinhood. I opened up a position on Robinhood right before, a few weeks before SNL. So I also hold Doge over on Webull and also hold it on Coinbase. So this is a position I opened up just for the SNL run. So my equity here on Dogecoin, it's all profit. I cashed out right before the SNL, cashed out my initial investment right before the SNL appearance with Elon. So now this is all house money on Robinhood with Doge. So this is all profit. I know this says total return, whatever. This is all profit, considering where I was. So I'm happy about that. I'm just going to hold this in Robinhood, let it run. I think eventually this gets to $1, right? And my thinking was, all right, I'll hold 1,000 in Robinhood. When it gets to $1, that's $1,000. And then what I'll probably do is take 700 or 800 of it out, leave a few hundred in. Let that hopefully run up even more. I don't know. It's going to depend though, because if it runs up to $1 and there's still a lot of hype. I mean, it's going to depend on news and things like that. But I did tell myself I'm not taking any of this money out of the money in Robinhood. If I add to my Doge, it won't be here. It'll be on Webull or Coinbase. But I will add to Doge today if it dips below 30 cents. So that's why I'm watching Doge closely here. If it dips below 30, I want to add to it over on Coinbase or Webull. Okay. So Doge is heading down right now too. It continues to drop. Interesting. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see here. Let's go back over here. Let's go to AMC real quick. All right, AMC still just under 60. Okay. Had 6,000 Doge, now only 1,100. Yeah, I got a little over 3,000 Doge right now. I've got a little bit over 1,000 on each platform. Robinhood, Webull, Coinbase. I may lay some on IQ today for fun. Okay, Tori. Nice. Austin, what's up, man? Welcome. IQ down 24%, falling fast. IQ. What is IQ? Guys, I might have to run to the restroom real quick. I don't know how many people I'll lose on stream, but I might have to run to the restroom real quick. Drop Drinking too much coffee this morning. Okay, gotcha. This is a top 200. Oh, wow. Okay, it's at 1 cent, down 25% almost. So what's this about, Tori? Appreciate you mentioning this, too. Tori's becoming a very avid follower, too. She's always tweeting at me on Twitter. I appreciate all those tweets. I'm always learning from you, so I appreciate that. 7-day, okay, no, we won't. All-time high. All-time high is 7 cents, so we're almost times 7 away from that. That was set 3 years ago, though, way back when. Interesting, though. It's definitely down. It's an interesting one to watch, for sure. Welcome in, everybody. Will, what's up, dude? We are Ryoshi. I like the name. Just the name and the crash. Bitcoin convention guy can propel DOGE Bitcoin. Okay. Okay, anybody new in here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hate to do this, but I got to run to the restroom real quick. I'm going to set the headphones down. I'll be right back. When I come back, I'd love to see 50 likes. If you guys can do that, that'll be a pleasant surprise when I come back. I'll be right back, okay? Stay with me. Promise it'll be quick. I'm going to go to the restroom. I'll be right back. Armand, let them know that I'm at the restroom, maybe. Anybody that pops in new. Appreciate it. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Too much coffee this morning. Nicola, what do you think on that? Looks like a long-term hold. Yeah, it's, that's a frustrating one, Athletic. That is a frustrating one. I never got into it, to be honest. But I don't have a strong lean one way or another. It's just, I don't know. I'm not invested in it. All right, let's see. GME. What the heck's going on here? GME, guys. Dark or light roast? I like all coffee, brother. Right now, I've got a dark Colombian roast. Been on the dark roast lately. But I do like a nice light roast, too. Definitely like a light roast as well. There's a lot of great coffee out there. I'm definitely a coffee connoisseur. That is for sure. Some of the best coffee I ever had at a coffee house. Well, first off, I love Turkish coffee. I don't know if anybody's ever had Turkish coffee. Arabic coffee too. Very strong, but I love it. And it's a very light color. It's interesting. But yeah, I agree, Will. If it's caffeine, it's for me. But some of the best coffee I ever had was at a coffee shop in London. I was there a couple different times, and I loved going to this little coffee shop, and they had an Americano blend that, man, I just remember sitting out there right outside the doors there on the outside patio, working on my laptop, and enjoying a cup of coffee and watching people drive by and, watch life pass me by in London. That was good memories. Psycho Forex Trading. What's up, man? I also do live stream on currency. Cool, man. Well, hopefully we can get some people from our chat over to yours, man. I appreciate you stopping by this channel. Appreciate you, man. So you must be a psycho for Forex, huh? That's cool. All right, guys. Almost to 50 likes. Can we get up over that hump? I know it's like a proverbial wall. Let's just hop right over it, and then we're on our way to 75 likes. AMC, where are we at? Ooh, AMC dipping here hard. AMC is dipping hard here. So I said if we can get some more likes and we went down. That's not good. We went from 49 to 40. Okay, there's 49. Okay, cool. Blanc, what's up? New community. There you go. MDXT. Okay. Nice. Nice, Blanc. Blanc, you're an avid follower here in stream and on the channel. Appreciate you, brother. Really do. Thank you. So AMC struggling a little bit right now, trying to come back up, sipping on Beaniac Organic Craft. There you go. Toria, nice. I'll tell you something I've been doing. I put, anybody ever put cinnamon in black coffee? Pretty bomb, actually. Okay, here comes AMC back up. It was at 57 there for a minute. Now it's coming back up a little bit. All right, so let's take a look here. Doge still at 31. Appreciate everybody that's new here. Welcome into the stream. Welcome in. Good morning. Hopefully you're getting off to a good start to your Tuesday morning. Hopefully we can help you out a little bit. I know this is stressful. Okay, I get it. However, what was I going to show you? All right, here. Hold on one sec. Let me pull up the. Hold on one sec. I just want to. I want to give this to everybody. I put this in yesterday. Hold on one sec. Bear with me here. There it is. Where did it go? Where did it go? There it is. Okay, everybody. This is what I want you to know as you're coming in the door. As you're walking inside the door, welcome to the stream. Okay? Don't panic. Everything is fine. Nothing to see here. Just institutional money jumping out of crypto and jumping back into the stock market. That's all. It won't affect us, especially if we're long-term investors. Remember that. Delicious stuff. Oh, nice. So you do that as well? Fix It Soto. Do the cinnamon in the black coffee? Man, it's solid. Oh, she puts it in the filter. Nice. That's even better yet. That's a good idea. Why don't I do that? I put it right in the coffee and then it all sits at the bottom. Will, you just gave me a great idea. Thank you. Appreciate it. So here on the stream, we talk about coffee. We talk about crypto. We talk about stocks. A lot of coffee talk, but I'm okay with that. Ethereum, oh guys, Ethereum down 14% now, down to 2.4. Actually, I think it hit 2.3 a minute ago, didn't it? All right, let's see what's some biggest losers, biggest winners. Theta Fuel. Okay, so the gains are starting to slow down a little bit for Theta Fuel. This is the way. Coffee and crypto, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Telecoin, Digibyte, Nexo. These all down in the 20s here. Vechain still dropping. 21% down on Vechain. If this thing gets down below 10 cents, man, that is going to be juicy. Juicy, juicy on Vechain. Okay. Kudret, AION. I don't know about that one, brother. Discounts don't sleep on Vet. Yeah, Link. And yeah, Link's another one, man. If Doge hits below 30, I'm doubling down. I feel you, bro. I feel you. I'm watching Doge closely today. That's one I want to add. I don't know what I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy something today. I'm definitely going to buy something. So here's Theta, continues to drop a little bit too, down 12%, okay? I'm watching this. I'd like to get Theta under 8. I'd like to see this down 20%. I'd like to see that down 20% eventually on Theta. That would be nice. That would be really nice. Tron, for those of you into Tron, that's down 11%. You can add on to your position or open one up. I wouldn't hate that either. So Theta continues to lose some gains here. Theta Fuel. SHIB still down 27%. Or I'm sorry, 17%. It's down below 7, guys. Down to the 6.9 level here. BitTorrent down 11.5%. Terra now 20%. Compound down 20%. Aren't these supposed to be in order? Oh, I guess I didn't have it. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Ooh, Digibyte getting hammered. Yeah, Shiba's getting to that point where maybe an addition wouldn't be bad. Athletic Justice, that's a good one, isn't it? That is a good one. Everything is fine. Everything is just fine. Vechain, one of the biggest losers here. Gizmo, I like it, man. I like where you're at. Like where your head's at there. Okay. Digibyte, huh? What was the all-time high on Digibyte again? It's 86 ranked. Do I open up a position in Digibyte? Down 26%. I don't have anything in Digibyte, but I mean, look where this price is at right now. And we did talk about this the other day. Do I open a position on Digibyte? It's a modification of Bitcoin, aims to diversify security, speed, and capability possibilities. So it's trying to make Bitcoin, it's a little better version of Bitcoin. What's the supply? Circulating supply. Okay. So, oh, right. This is the one that's 10 times 21 billion instead of 21 million. So it's 10 times the circulating assets of the amount of Bitcoin out there. That's right. I remember now. Okay. Interesting. So what's the all-time high on Digibyte? Let's see. All-time high was just set a month ago too, 18 cents. Look at that, guys. All-time high, 18 cents a month ago, May 1st. We're at 5 cents right now. You could 3x your money if it gets to not even back to an all-time high in this bull run. You could 3x your money here. Like this would be one that I might like look to swing. Where can you buy Digibyte? I might just do it. Binance. Okay, I can't get on Binance. I can get on Binance US. I don't even know if does Crypto.com have Digibyte? Hold on, let me see. Let me check something real quick. As we're looking at that, we'll take a look at the AMC chart. Just keep this up for a minute. Okay, let me see. Churchill Capital selling off like crazy. Just opened up my app. So it's down now today, 2%. Big sell-off. I think CCIV could be getting short squeezed here soon. All right, but let me open my Crypto.com app. Can we get Digibyte? Crypto, yeah, I had it. Okay, sweet. So Digibyte is available on Crypto.com, huh? Interesting. That is, it's a big loser right now, so, I mean, this might just be a quick swing for me. When things get better, then I'll get out of it, but I'm just going to double check and see. Search coins, Digibyte. You can buy Digibyte on Crypto.com. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that up because I might just do that. Look at that, down 26%. Should I buy Digibyte? What do you guys think? What do y'all think? That's the biggest loser right now. That and Telecoin, though, too. Look at Telecoin. See, Telecoin might even be the better buy. Telecoin we talked about last night. Telecoin is down 25%. Digibyte or Telecoin? Can you get Telecoin on Crypto.com? Gizmo, I hear you, man. I was in AMC at like $6 or $7 and sold at like 18 or 19. So I made a nice little amount there. I put it all my profits into like higher conviction stocks. Like I bought NEO with it and Tesla with the profits. But yeah, obviously hindsight 2020. I wish I would have stayed in at $6 on AMC. Obviously, right? But you know, here we are. I bought in at 55.48. Hey, I'm up $8 again. So this will be the second time that hopefully I make some profit on AMC. But yeah, you know. All right. Well, AMC kind of trading sideways a little bit right now. 57.93, fluctuating a bit. Yeah, Gizmo, it's good to be. It's good to watch before you make any, irrational decisions, quick decisions that you're going to regret. I agree. I mean, you can learn a lot from just watching other people's mistakes. I made the same mistake with Doge too. I sold out of that too early. But I made some profits, and then I made profits again at the SNL. So I've made profits twice on Doge. Now, did I max out the amount of profits I could have made if I'd have just held? No. I wish I would have held just held Doge, and then sold maybe before AMC. Because, dude, I initially got into Doge at 1 cent. I initially got into Doge at 1 cent. In fact, I can prove it for you because I actually did it on Robinhood. So here, check this out. So if you come down here, see my history. I got in. Now, granted, it wasn't a lot, but there it is. I had 2,500 Dogecoin at 1 cent here. Then again, look at this. Got another 1962 at 2 cents. Then I got another 837 at 5 cents. Got another 125 at 8 cents. Crazy. And I sold. And then, but whatever. It is what it is. I made some profit a few times on it, but Gizmo, appreciate it, man. Thanks for making this channel part of your circle. Appreciate that. Telecoin or Digibyte? That's the question. I don't know if you can get Telecoin. Is Telecoin available on Coinbase? I don't think it is. Let's see if Telecoin's available on crypto. What's TEL, T-E-L, huh? Okay, Telecoin not available on crypto.com, but Digibyte is. Okay. Going Digibyte, Armand? Okay. I might have to open a position in Digibyte, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. All right, y'all. That's all I got right now. I got to get back to some other work, but I'll have some videos out today, and I might just go back live. Look at Bitcoin down. We're at 31.9 on Bitcoin, guys. Oh man, we're getting into dangerous territory here. Well, dangerous in the sense of as low as we got on Bitcoin, before, right? But all right, real quick before I get out of here, I did put out a video on Bitcoin dipping again. Okay, so let me pull that up on this screen over here. I'll pull that back over a minute. But Bitcoin, last time this got down to 30, what happened, guys? All that institutional money came rushing back in, got back up to 40,000. So could that happen again? Potentially. So I'd be watching this very closely. Bitcoin now under 32, which that is interesting. But where is that video? Okay, here it is right here. Oops, not that one. That's the live stream. So this video right here, Bitcoin crash coming, 26K price. I put that out about 6 days ago. So go back and check out that video. I talked about it could be going back down to 26K. And again, this is institutional money driving this price down. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this current Bitcoin crash, there's a video for you to check out. And we had a really nice conversation last night too. So really long stream too, over 2 hours, almost 2.5 hours. So if you want to get back over there and check that out. But thank you all so much for liking and subscribing to the channel. Couldn't do it without you. So really, really appreciate everybody who has joined the community here so far, and I can't thank you enough, really. But before you get on out of here, make sure you like and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me, and appreciate everyone so much. Thank you, and happy I could come on this morning and do a quick live stream for y'all, and hopefully made your morning a little bit better. I know it's crazy right now. Market is continuing to go down, but you know, stock market is going up. So that is a bright sign. That is a bright spot, I guess. But with crypto, remember what I've been saying. Don't panic. All right? Don't panic. Mofo, see you tonight, maybe Zach. Yeah, I'll let you know on Twitter. I should be able to do a live stream tonight. I'll let you know. Again, guys, my schedule right now very open because it's the summertime. So I'm on that teaching schedule. I do a couple other things though too on the side. So kind of all over the place, but I'm putting out a lot of content right now because I'm having a lot of fun. So thank you, and that's all for you guys too. So all I ask in return, just like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be out, be able to come back on tomorrow night. Until then, we'll watch the market. I will have some videos out too, so check that out as well during the day. Eric, what's up, man? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all soon.